friends, this is Rajshri and I'm off with my first ever YouTube video and I'm super excited about it and eventually grateful if you guys have joined from the first day of my journey. So basically the next 3 to 4 minutes that you are going to spend with me will be basically on discovering what you will get to see in this channel, how you will be getting benefited from these videos and why you should be subscribing to a newbie like me. So guys, let's not talk too much. Okay, sorry, I'm so bad at singing and eventually still I sing and I'm so sorry about it. Okay, so guys, let's not talk too much and let's get started. And there's a little surprise for you guys at the end of this video, so just stay tuned because it will apparently be so much helpful for you. So basically the first thing to look over is the niche of this channel. The domain that we will be covering on this channel will be education, lifestyle, career, personal growth and many more things, and eventually there will be some sort of blogs that will help you guys in knowing me better, and even it will help you guys in scheduling your day as well and many more things. It will be helpful. So the next point to think over is why to subscribe me. Okay, so for that I would like to share with you a story that is related to me and why I thought of starting this YouTube channel. As the pandemic went on for a year like now, I saw people tensed and worried like I was in my ending phase of third year and the starting phase of fourth year. I know at that time we didn't have this corona, but still I was so tense and worried about my career and how our jobs would be, because we eventually didn't belong from a private college or we didn't have a background of like NITs or IITs. That helps a lot for you guys to get placed. We were from a government college that was not having like placements in our college. We have to go to different colleges, and the placements that used to come to our college was not that good. Now we have corona, so it's just a addition to the tension we used to have earlier. And already we have relatives that keep asking us, beta kya hua job ka, and also I can understand you guys better, and my tension and worries increased like a hell when I got disqualified in the most basic interview that you will ever attend, that is the TCS NQT ka, that too Ninja, not digital. I got disqualified in Ninja, and that was the thing that made me so depressed. I was acquainted with like 4 to 5 languages at my time during the interview. Still I couldn't just write two codes that were so basic programmings were involved, and that time I realized a lot of things, and that helped me a lot and that pushed me up so that I could get better. And I eventually went from that phase to a phase where I got placed in every interview that I attended, and that was so huge. I was so happy. Even I used to attend the interviews that were of like same package, so that I could get a joy of like, yeah, I got placed, and I keep attending the interviews. And after some time I was like, no, let's just stop here, and also let's not get to that. And the TCS wala interview I'll be sharing you guys with in a new video, and I know that will help you guys a lot. That will really help you guys a lot, because the point from when I disqualified in TCS Ninja and to getting placed in various companies is a dream for everyone. And yeah, that will help you guys, and I'll share that in next video. So okay, so for all these tensions and all, I have been through that and I understand how pressurizing that is. So I thought I would share some of my experiences, so that I know it wouldn't help you for like 100%, but even if I can contribute 10% or even if some percent, that would be really like happy thing for me, because I love that. Like if I could contribute a little bit for your improvement or anything for your guidance. Okay, moving to the next fact, that who all are going to get benefited from my videos in this channel. As I told earlier, I'll be focusing on education, lifestyle, career, placements and all. So don't worry, it would not be a kind of channel you'll be subscribing. It will be having a lot of gyan. I'll also be sharing my life blogging types of things, not like kuch bhi wala blogging. It will be like how you can schedule your day, how you can make your days productive, because I know in India it's very common to not have a productive day. We don't even I even don't realize we have something called a productive day till I was in my fourth year, end of fourth year or something, when I started preparing for my placements. I will be sharing those blogs and even how to balance your work life for the persons who are already placed and are having like work from home. It is so different from working from office. Like you have a lot of hassles, and also like it's so different working from home and working from office. So I'll be sharing that thing also, how to balance work and life. And I'll also tell you guys how it feels like to be in a city where like everyone has ambitions in their eyes. Like everyone is working, like nobody is like sitting SAE wala, because in our places like where I belong to, it is not that productive place, because we belong to like a small places, small town and all. So there we don't have this many things. So how it felt for me to like get transferred from a place like that to a place like this, where everyone is like rushing over for their dreams, and everyone is like, oh, I want this, that, and they are trying 100% to fulfill their dreams. So yeah, that is a huge change. That is really a huge change, and I'll share all of that. And these are just some of the examples that I could give, and there will be a lot more things that I would explore, and I like to share with you guys. And anyone who wants to join in my journey for exploring things can happily join. I'm so happy for that. And I know if you guys are watching till here, you guys are already there with me. So the surprise that I was talking about, I know you guys would be excited about it. What is so that much like I hyped it too much in the starting itself. So I know you guys would be excited for that. So that surprise is very unique surprise. Like there will be sessions with, I'll be organizing sessions with some of the experienced persons who are placed in product based companies, who were like us itself. Like I'm not going to bring anyone who are from IITs and NITs and all. If we will bring that also if you guys want, but we will start from a basic persons who started earning from their college lives, because that's a dream for all of us. And like the persons who are successful before even their 20s, and that will be really helpful, because experience speaks a lot more than anything else. And I don't want ki I give you bhasan on like this, you can do this and get placed in Amazon, because I even don't get placed in Amazon. Even I haven't like attended the interview, so I can't even tell you any experience, and I don't want to be fake. So all those things I want to make it real. So the real persons who have attended those, who have been through those trainings and those placement periods, and how they have done all that, I'll be sharing with you guys. We will have a session for that, but so for that at least I need a basic cut of my subscribers. And I swear the content of this channel will be worth subscribing. So you won't regret it subscribing, and it will not be like in your subscribed wala list only. You will be watching it and it will be helping you. This is it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, keep slaying, keep shining, and keep challenging your challenges, because that is what that makes you strong. Be strong so that you could even tell your future generation that yeah, we work like that, and that's why we are here, so that you could be also a part of motivating someone. Believe me, that's such a proud moment to tell someone we have been through, so that they could also get motivated. I want you guys all to be like that. Stay strong, stay happy, and keep shining. Okay, so see you guys. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.